In this video I'm going to show you how to do a standing treble, but I'm going to show you the original way first. So originally when you start off with trebles, it could be anywhere on a project, you're going to just pull through your yarn and you're just gonna let it drop the tail end and you chain 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there is your first stitch considered. That's always normal, and you wrap twice and you treble into your next stitch. And the problem is, let me just do 2 more of these so that you can see the difference very clearly, is that the very first chaining 4 never looks like the same as a regular treble. We can all agree with that, right? It just doesn't look the same. So it looks like it's out of place, especially on a hat or anything like that, especially if you're changing colors like this. This is a great, this is standard. We've all come to accept it because it is what it is. But if you do a standing treble, you can make all of these stitches, including this first one, look right. So how to do a standing one is that you're going to create a slip knot first on your hook. So create the slip knot first, and what I want you to do, put it into your hands, and I need you to wrap this twice before you insert into the project, and you're going to use this finger to hold it down to prevent it from unspinning. So just wrap it once and twice and pinch. So pinch all 3. Okay, so let's do that again. So wrap once and twice and pinch all 3 loops. You're now going to go into your project and insert in and yarning over, pulling it through. And I'm still continuing to pinch this knot section here. Just kind of hold it all together and yarning over, pulling it through 2, yarning over, pulling it through 2, and yarning over, pulling it through 2. And now that looks like a real treble. So you wrap the next one as a real treble, and let's just do 2 more so that you can see the difference. Just like that. So you can see that the very first one looks like the other 2, and the first stitch work you just gotta tighten it up a little bit, but the first one has its regular stitch at the top just like the rest. So when you come to join it around, if it's an end, then you can just go into that stitch, and if it is the just back and forth like so, you have a real stitch to work with when you come back across on the top. So that is how you do a standing treble. I'm just going to show you one more time for those that are just want to try again. So just wrap the hook. So that's how you do a standing treble. It's really quite simple. Just put it onto your hook, wrap twice, okay, and then insert in, pull through, just tighten, keep things nice and tight, pull through 2, 2 and 2 back to the top. There is your standing treble right there, and then you can continue. So this is how you do a standing treble crochet.